Here's how I made 200 bucks in under 4 hours with just these 3 items right here, working from home. So I have a product unboxing business and I have these 3 products. Okay, so I've got one customer, men's underwear, $35 for a 1-minute video, just some close-ups showing the underwear. Obviously I don't need to model them, and I get a free pair of drawers. Yay. Then we've got this over here. This is a repeat customer. This was $70 for a 1 to 2 minute video. He sells these air tag holder keychains and a few other things, and they use QR codes on the back, so when your stuff is lost, somebody can scan it and they can get a hold of you. Very easy. This last one over here, this is actually one of these gel pads that you put in the freezer. You wrap it around your knees, your elbows, or whatever. This person starts at $60, but they always give me a $50 tip every time, so that's $110. So 110, 70, that's 180, and then a 35 right here, so it's $215. So if you're a wannabe Amazon reviewer, you're interested in doing product unboxing videos, you love doing that content creating influencer kind of stuff, that is something I teach. I help people grow a business. You could do this part-time, you could do it full-time. It's a ton of fun, and you get to see a lot of amazing products, and especially products that you want and need and use, and you don't have to do the video for free. You can actually get paid to make videos. If you're interested in learning more, you know what to do. Act now, supplies are limited.